Welcome to our latest video, where we're providing a natural solution to a common problem: Boxelder bugs and beetles invading your home. With this effective spray, we'll bid farewell to those pesky pests, whether they're inside or outside your house. If you find this remedy helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content on keeping your home pest-free and your life hassle-free. Now, let's dive into the remedy ingredients. Our first ingredient, white vinegar, is a versatile and natural cleaner that also serves as an effective insect repellent. Its strong scent disrupts the trails of Boxelder bugs and beetles, deterring them from entering your home. We'll start by measuring out 1 cup of white vinegar and adding it to a bowl. Dish soap acts as a surfactant in our spray solution, breaking down the outer layers of Boxelder bugs and beetles and suffocating them. Additionally, it helps the solution adhere to surfaces, ensuring thorough coverage. We'll add 1 tablespoon of dish soap to the bowl with the white vinegar. Peppermint essential oil not only adds a pleasant scent to our spray, but also serves as a potent insect repellent. The strong aroma of peppermint disrupts the sensory receptors of Boxelder bugs and beetles, making treated areas undesirable for them to inhabit. We'll add 10 to 15 drops of peppermint essential oil to the bowl with the white vinegar and dish soap. After thoroughly mixing the ingredients, transfer the solution to a spray bottle and shake well to ensure proper mixing. Now, you're ready to tackle those Boxelder bugs and beetles inside or outside your house. In conclusion, with just 3 simple and natural ingredients, white vinegar, dish soap, and peppermint essential oil, you can create an effective spray to get rid of Boxelder bugs and beetles and keep your home pest-free. Say goodbye to unwanted insect invaders and hello to a more comfortable living environment. Give this remedy a try today and let us know about your success stories in the comments below. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks from our channel.